Ever wondered what magic happens behind the scenes when you use your Tangem wallet to swap cryptocurrencies? Do they have their own exchange? Are they tapping into a secret, decentralized network? These are common questions, and today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tangem's exchange mechanisms. For many hardware wallet users, the idea of seamless in-app crypto swaps is a huge convenience. Tangem wallets, with their elegant card-based design, definitely offer this. But here's the crucial point: Tangem itself is not an exchange. They don't operate a centralized trading platform where users' funds are held and trades are executed internally. This distinction is vital for understanding both the security and the functionality of your Tangem wallet. Instead of building their own exchange from scratch, Tangem cleverly integrates with established, reputable decentralized exchange (DEX) aggregators and other liquidity providers. Think of Tangem as a smart router, connecting you to the best available rates and liquidity across a multitude of decentralized protocols. When you initiate a swap within the Tangem app, it's essentially querying these integrated services to find the most efficient path for your transaction. One of the primary partners Tangem leverages for its in-app swaps is 1inch. For those unfamiliar, 1inch is a leading DEX aggregator that sources liquidity from various decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and many others. By doing so, 1inch aims to provide users with optimal swap rates and minimize slippage by splitting orders across multiple DEXs if necessary. This means when you're swapping tokens through your Tangem wallet, it's highly likely that 1inch is working in the background, finding the best deal for you on the decentralized web. This approach offers several significant advantages. Firstly, it enhances security. Since Tangem isn't holding your funds on an exchange, you maintain full control of your private keys throughout the swap process. The transaction is executed on-chain, directly from your wallet to the chosen liquidity pool, rather than through a centralized intermediary. Secondly, it provides access to a wider range of tokens and better liquidity. By aggregating from multiple sources, Tangem users benefit from the vast ecosystem of decentralized finance. Thirdly, it aligns with the core principles of decentralization, empowering users to interact directly with DeFi protocols without relying on a centralized exchange. So, to put it simply, Tangem doesn't use one single exchange. Instead, it connects you to a network of decentralized exchanges and liquidity providers, primarily through aggregators like 1inch, to facilitate your crypto swaps securely and efficiently. It's a testament to their commitment to user control and leveraging the power of Web3. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.